Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring OBS and its virtual camera are ready. Open OBS, load the scene you want to share, and add sources like display capture, window, or video capture device so Google Meet sees what you intend to present. Once done, enable the OBS virtual camera from the controls area. This exposes OBS as a selectable webcam. Make sure your microphone input is routed in OBS or remains available to Meet so audio follows the video, preventing desync or silent streams. Once OBS virtual camera is active, join your Google Meet and open Meet settings. Under Video, pick OBS virtual camera to send your OBS output. This is how Meet receives scenes, overlays, and transitions. Then switch to audio settings. Select your microphone or route audio via virtual audio cable if you mixed in OBS. Make sure Meet's preview shows your scene, and adjust layout or pinning so participants see the intended source. This reduces surprises during the call. To finish, test scene switching and audio while in Meet so you confirm smooth transitions and correct levels. If video doesn't update, restart the OBS virtual camera or toggle your camera in Meet. Sometimes the browser caches the old device. For audio problems, make sure browser permissions are granted and that your OS default devices match what Meet expects, or route audio through a virtual cable and select it in both OBS and Meet. If all else fails, restart the browser or OBS to reinitialize devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.